Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Super Geek and today I'm going to tell you how you can enable dark mode on Windows 11. Dark mode was first introduced in Windows 10 in later builds and it kind of works but not as great as other OSs like macOS or even Android OS. So when you enable dark mode on Windows 10, it darkens all the Metro apps, Universal Windows apps and even the File Explorer to some extent. But in Windows 11, Microsoft enhanced the dark mode to support almost every part of the user interface and it looks gorgeous. So here's a quick tip to enable dark mode on Windows 11 and I'll tell you two ways to do this on your Windows 11. But first, please like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. It encourages me to make more awesome videos like this one. Now, this is Windows 11 as I'm running on my virtual machine, and let me show you the version pretty quick. So this is Windows 11 with the version 21H2 with the OS build 22000, which is the same one which Microsoft released for the insiders. So now I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on this version. As you can see here, I'm running the light mode right now. Everything is light, including the File Explorer. See, I'm going to close that and let's see how you can enable that. First, all you have to do is go to settings. There are a couple of ways to go to the settings. You can go from the start menu here, or you can choose to go from the action center here. So once you're in the settings, what you have to do is go to personalization and scroll down, go to colors and select dark mode from choose your color section, and there you go. So as you can see here, the dark mode looks really awesome on Windows 11. It works better than the dark mode on Windows 10. As you can see here, everything is dark. Even the tooltips are dark. See, everything is dark now. The keyboard is dark. The action center is pretty awesome, as you can see here. And the action center, everything, the notification drawer, everything is dark and it looks really awesome. See, everything is dark and as it should be. Everything is looking just fine, no glitches whatsoever, even though it is a very early build of Windows 11. Okay, I'm back to the light mode to show you another trick to enable dark mode, but first I'm going to show you what are the other options that you get in the color section. So go to personalization, go to colors, scroll down colors, and once you drop down this menu, you'll see there is a custom option right here. So if you click that option, so if you click that option, you get these two options. So you can choose your default Windows mode to be light or dark, and you can choose your desktop default app mode, like all the universal apps, to be light or dark. This is pretty normal feature. It was also available on Windows 10, but I'm going to keep that on light. Now I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Windows 11 using themes. So all you have to do is right click on the desktop and click on personalize. From here, all you have to do is just select one of these themes, these default themes. I think there will be more themes when Windows 11 will be ready. So once you choose one of these themes, Windows 11 will adapt to that dark or light mode. So let's choose one of these. I'm going to go with this one. And as you can see, everything turned dark. Well, here you go. There are some glitches. See, there are some glitches but we cannot complain because it's a really early build. So but still, dark mode is working really good in Windows 11. I'm going to close that. As you can see, the wallpaper is dark. Everything is dark in Windows 11. So as I said that Windows 11 is in its early stages, not everything can turn dark right now. Like if you go to, let's say, Instagram, so this app is still running in light mode. As you can see, I don't know if I can change that. No, I cannot. So not every app is in dark mode right now, but most of the apps, most of the user interface is in dark mode. So as you can see, the splash screen of this Windows Store was also in light mode, even though I'm running dark mode. So these were some glitches that Microsoft is asked to look into, and I think these are not biggest issues. So Microsoft is doing a really good job with Windows 11. In terms of user interface, I'm pretty much satisfied with Windows 11, and let's see what we get in the final version of Windows 11. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.